Hello, good afternoon. Ako nga pala si Jenny Vaninian, ang inyong sales consultant dito lang sa Pick Motors Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila. And for today's video is, kung makikita ninyo, nandito tayo ngayon. Ito po yung aming L300 na 2024 FB Body Dual Aircon na Euro 4. Ang atin pong L300 FB Body Dual Aircon is naka 2.2 liters two-wheel drive, 5-speed manual, and naka 4 inline 16 bulb dock or double overhead cam with turbocharged and turbocharged with intercooler system Euro 4. So ayan, para po sa front grille ng ating L300, ito po siya is naka horizontal chrome design po siya na new design ng ating L300 na FB Body Dual Aircon. And first is for the front suspension is naka-independent wishbone and coil spring siya. And para naman sa ating rear suspension is naka-semi-elliptic and lip spring ang ating L300. Visibility is naka-multi-reflector halogen lamp ang ating visibility para kay L300. For the lights and visibility naman ng ating L300, is naka multi-reflector halogen lamp ang ating lights and visibility for the L300 FB Body Dual Aircon. Dimension of heights is 1,915 millimeters and para naman sa length is 44,040 millimeters and para naman sa width or is naka 1,695 millimeters ang kanyang dimension. So, yan guys. Proceed tayo sa interior ng ating L300. So, ayan po. As you can see, is naka white lit meter cluster ang ating L300. Let's proceed naman sa interior ng ating L300. And ayan, as you can see, is naka white lit ang ating meter cluster. And for the utility, is naka MP3, tuner aux-in USB Pro, ang ating L300 pillar antenna, and naka 2 speakers na rin siya. Ayan. And for the payload capacity naman, ng ating L300 is 1,215 kilograms. So, ayan po siya. Increased cab height for more visibility and 40% extra torque and power. Naman sa ating tires is naka 185 R1 4C and 80R. And for the wheels is 14 by 5.05 steel rims. Fuel tank capacity of 55 liters. Maximum na to. Fuel tank capacity of 55 liters and maximum torque is 200-1000 up to 3,500 and maximum PS is 99.25-3,500. For the brakes, front is 10 by ventilated disc and for the rear is 10 leading and trailing drums. So hindi siya mabuksan. Ito po yung ating loob for the L300. Okay. Ground clearance of 125. So, ayan guys. Mga wheels and deals, yan po yung ating aircon. The dual aircon of L300 FB Body. So, ayan. Sinuzoom in ko na lang since hindi bukas yung likod ng ating L300. Para makita lang po ninyo. Ayan. Thank you so much po sa pananood. And dito na po nagtatapos ang ating quick review for our 2024 na L300 FB Body Dual Aircon Euro 4. So, again, ako nga pala si Jenny Vaninian, ang inyong sales consultant dito lang sa Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila. Bye!